Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create this abstract style project cover decoration for your school kids project. So the concept for this project is about the West Bengal and what are the specialties of West Bengal. So I'm going to create the cover more of educational style and like travel journal style. So these are the things I'm using: yellow chart, black chart, and some markers, pencils, scale, and glue, all of these things. So first of all, the file gonna consist of A4 size papers. So I want to create the file cover a little bit bigger than that of A4 size paper. So I'm going to create this size. So I'm marking the size so that I can cut. So the black color chart is of A4 size. So I'm gonna measure a little bit big compared to that size, and I'm going to cut. So this is going to be like a foldable file, like a book style. So I want both the front side as well as the back side, but I'm going to decorate only on the front side. So now I just folded the chart and going to cut. So in both width and height, I'm making sure it is perfectly of same size, symmetrical, and here it is ready. So this side going to be on the outside. So I'm folding this like this. Then I'm going to create some abstract styles. So for that I'm using one black color chart. So what I'm going to do here is like for the journals you have been seeing like they're using a tone paper, textured paper to paste here and there. So in that style I'm going to paste it on the both top and bottom side. Since this chart yellow chart is a little bit big than that of the black chart, I'm going to place them in the horizontal style so that it covers the entire front area. So I'm going to make little bit texture details for the tone structure, and I'm going to paste like this. So this is the extra paper that I'm going to cut. Just place it perfectly and make sure it is not in any like cross, something like that. And I'm going to cut the black chart and then I'm going to paste it. It is not necessary that you have to apply the glue all over it. You can only apply the borders, like edges of that left side, right side, and the top side, and you can leave the bottom tone side as it is, because this will give somewhat layery texture. And we have some remaining parts of that chart, and I'm going to use that for the side covering. So I'm just making a small tone texture here, and I'm going to paste like this. So I'm going to place like this, and I'm just going to do some of it at each side because they are extra peppers, and I'm going to insert them inside that design that already we have, so that it looks like more covered like that. So yeah, here it is ready, and again in that side also I have pasted it. And now I want to create the map of West Bengal. So for that, if you have any printed hard copy of this West Bengal map, you can use it as it is, and you can just cut the blank area and just have that outline size. And here I don't have any hard copy of that, so I just tracing using my tablet. I just got that map from Google, so I just traced it and I'm going to cut like this, and then I'm going to paste it over this. So why I'm doing this, why I want to cut why I want to trace using the paper and then gonna paste over the chart, and again I'm going to cut. Why I'm doing this is because we can't trace using the black chart, so we can't have any details visible over the black chart. That's why I'm using a thin paper, so that we can get the shape easily, and then when we paste over the chart, and we can easily cut it and get like this. And on the white side of that chart that we have pasted, I'm using black paint, acrylic paint, and then I'm just going to make it like a layery one, which means the the map going to be pop out a little bit. To create that, I'm just using the remaining part of the charts to create like a folded something like this, and I'm going to paste here and as well as at the top, and then I'm going to paste those sticker like thing over that yellow chart, so that it looks like a layered one. It pops out little bit from the rest of that black chart designs, so something like this. Okay, so like this. Then I already told that I'm going to make design little bit of a journal, travel journal style. So to create some travel journal like track that are tracking designs, I'm going to make a little strokes like this here and there, not too much, just like 3 or 4 lines in that area. So now I'm going to create the wording West Bengal. So for that, I'm using the yellow chart again. I'm going to make a small piece from that, and then using the scale, I'm going to create the size for the wordings. So I'm using this size itself. Here comes the West, and then here comes the Bengal. So to get an idea a little bit, I am trying out to write using the pencil. Then I'm using the marker to write that. So if you don't have any idea of how to make the letterings more stylish, you can just find many apps for that text editing with the different fonts. So you can just simply type West Bengal and choose the different font and choose as per your wish, like italic style or bold style or like a full of capitals, something like that. So I tried this wording from using Canva. So I used some italic style fonts, and I just copied and wrote that in the chart, and I'm just cutting it now with like outline. here is the vest and here is the Bengal. Now the wording is ready. I'm going to paste it. This is also going to be in a layered style, so I'm going to paste only at the both the corners, and I'm going to leave the center part as it is without pasting. So like this, you can like bend them little bit so that it gives some layery look. And then with the remaining black color chart, I'm going to create something like a tape details here for the vest as well as for the Bengal, something like this. And for the Bengal also I'm adding that detail. So then I'm going to create a landmark like style icon that you may have seen in while you are using Google Map or any location details. You have seen that. So I'm just going to create that shape, and first I tried like leaving some yellow outline like details. Then I also added a circle to place at the center of this, and I felt like I don't like this yellow color part outside of that reddish shape. So here I'm checking where it looks good. So I feel like I don't like this, then I cut it off, and now I'm going to place here. Here it looks perfect. So now I'm going to paste it. So here is the final project file cover decoration. I hope you like this. If you like, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.